Wallace Neff was born on January 28, 1895, in La Mirada, California, the second son of Edwin and Nanny McNally Neff. Nanny's father was Andrew McNally, founder and president of the famous publishing firm Rand McNally. The Neffs moved to Pasadena in 1904, and in 1909 they visited Europe and traveled extensively. These years would have a great influence on Wallace Neff's later work. They returned to Pasadena in 1915. By this time, Wallace had decided to become an architect. He spent 2 years studying at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, but with the onset of World War I, he took a job back in California and would later decide to not return to MIT. His first design commission came from his mother in 1919 for a weekend house in Santa Barbara. Throughout his career, he used history as a source of inspiration in designing what he called California houses. In 1921, Neff obtained his architect's license, and he opened his own office in downtown Pasadena in 1922. His early commissions were for colonial revival-style homes, but soon found clients with an interest in the Spanish and Italian revival styles. During the 1920s, his reputation grew and his business flourished. By 1923, he was receiving awards and appearing in professional articles on architects and architecture. In 1923, Wallace Neff married Louise Graff of Pasadena, and they moved into an Pasadena home he designed for them. With the onset of the Depression, Neff's practice slackened. He was also devoting time and personal resources to a then revolutionary concept, a prefabricated home, though it was not a commercial success for Neff. During this difficult period, he would sell his Pasadena office, separate from his wife, and move to bachelor quarters in Hollywood, where he would remain for 40 years. As the economy recovered, so did the demand for architect-designed homes. Neff had become popular with movie industry magnates and designed homes for elite clients. Always inventive, Neff once again turned his hand at a new housing type and developed the bubble or airform house in 1941. He was successful in promoting the bubble house, and whole villages of them were built in Africa and Egypt. 2 of these structures were built in the Pasadena area, one for Neff's brother. Throughout his long career, Neff remained modest about his genius, often saying he took it all from books. He was committed to building livable California houses, combining practicality with romance and even fantasy. Wallace Neff spent his last years in Pasadena in the bubble house built for his brother. He died at 87 on June 9, 1982.